In this video, we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting negative numbers. Now, you can use a number line to support you with this and help you understand the concept. Now, the first number is where we start on our number line. So I'm starting at 4. Taking away, we move in a left direction, and adding, we move in a right direction. So in the first question, I'm starting at 4 and I'm taking away 7. That means we're going to jump 7 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We end up at -3. In the next question, we're starting at 2 and we're taking away 8. So find 2 on your number line, and we're taking away 8, so we're moving 8 in the left direction, which puts us at -6. On the next question, we start at -3, and this time we're adding 5. So that means we're moving to the right 5 places, which will put us at 2. On the next one, we're starting at -4, and we're taking away 7, which means we're moving 7 places to the left, which will put us at -11. We're starting at 1, and we're taking off 6, which puts us at -5. Now on the next question, we've got 2 steps to do. So we start at 3, and we take off 4, which means we're moving 4 places to the left. So that puts us at -1. And doing -1, add 1, which means I'm moving 1 place to the right, which will then put me at 0. And on the final question, we're starting at -2, and we're taking off 5, which means that we end up at -7, and then we're adding 3. So from -7, I'm going 3 places to the right, which will put me back at -4. Now in this part of the video, the rules change slightly. If we've got 2 symbols next to one another, then we have to replace that with 1 symbol. So 2 positives would make a positive. 2 negatives would also make a positive. If we've got a positive and a negative, or a negative and a positive, we replace that with a negative. So if the 2 symbols next to one another are the same, it's positive. If they're different, they're negative. In the first question, we've got -5, add -2. Now here we can see we've got 2 symbols next to one another. They're positive and negative, which means I'm going to replace it with a negative. So what I'm actually doing is -5 take away 2, which will give me -7. On the next question, I've got a positive and a negative next to one another, which I'm going to replace with a negative. So I'm doing 3 take away 6, and that's going to give me -3. I've got 2 negative signs next to one another, so 2 negative signs I know will be replaced with a positive. So it will be 4, add 2, which will give me 6. Next, I've got -4, take away -3. So these are the 2 signs that I changed to a positive. So I've got -4, add 3. Now using my number line, That puts me at -1. Lastly, these two will be replaced with a minus. So we've got -2, take away 3. Then these two will be replaced with a positive. So then adding 7. So -2 take away 3 will give me -5. Add 7 puts me at 2. Pause the video and have a go at these, and then come back and check your answers. We've got -2, take away 5. The plus and the minus will become a minus, so then we've got -3. Now none of these minus signs are next to one another, so I'm not going to change anything else now. I'm just going to work my way along the number line. So -2, take away 5 will put me at -7, and then I've got take away 3. Now again, these two minus signs aren't next to one another, so I just work my way along the number line. I go from -7, taking off 3, which puts me at -10. In the next question, the minus and the plus will become a minus, and then the two minus signs will become a plus. So I've got 2 minus 4, add 5. So 2 take away 4 will become -2. Add the 5 will put me at 3. And use these rules whenever you're adding and taking away with negative numbers.